My friend told me that somewhere in the Philippines, there's a place called the Milea Bee Farm, which is a really cool place to visit. Kuya dropped me off on the road to Cuenca, that is in Batangas, where I followed a small path in the jungle for 5 minutes. It was the kind of place where there wasn't any sign to show you how to get there. Who would have thought that there was this magical world hidden there, where tiny bees native to the Philippines produce a delicious kind of honey that can't be found anywhere else in the world. The first thing I noticed was the harmony between what people built and nature. With every step I took, there was something new to discover. A flower, a bird, a butterfly, and of course, the bees. Here, I met Sir Rico, the humble owner and beekeeper of the Milea Bee Farm. He is truly a nature lover and devotes his life to taking care of the Filipino bees. Many flowers, fruits, and vegetables are grown organically on the farm for the pleasure of the bees and the guests who are lucky enough to taste the most natural foods you could ever think of. This place is not a restaurant, but the food prepared by Sir Rico's aunt is worth all the restaurants I've ever tried. By coming here, I've learned a very important lesson. Listening to nature leads to a more positive life.